You know that excitement when you finally get your hands on a shiny new phone, like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and then the worry sets in about finding the ideal case? I've been right there. You want something stylish that feels high-end, but doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your sleek device. That's precisely why I explored and reviewed these two cases from Pitaka. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Milky Way galaxy and over-the-horizon cases from their latest Weaving Plus Moment series. And trust me, they're far more than your typical plastic shells. Let's jump right in. When I unboxed them, the first thing that struck me was the top-notch feel. Inside, you'll find the case along with some standard paperwork, nothing extravagant, but the design itself. It instantly radiates luxury. When I held it for the first time, I was surprised by how light it felt. I thought, is this really a case? It's incredibly lightweight, yet gives off a robust, sleek impression. The secret behind this? It's crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber. Isn't that remarkable? This material is not only strong and light, but also looks incredible. Now, here's the interesting part. This collection is named Weaving Plus Moments. At first, I assumed it was just clever marketing. However, upon further inspection, I realized there was more to it. The Milky Way galaxy design instantly transported me to a tranquil night sky filled with stars, away from the hustle of the city. And the over-the-horizon design? It takes me back to gently watching the sunset. The colors aren't just random, they each tell their own story. But it's not only about looks, functionality is just as important. Both cases are MagSafe compatible, which makes wireless charging a breeze. And here's the kicker, even with built-in magnets, the case remains remarkably slim, only 1.2 millimeters thick, thanks to the clever amber magnet film technology. I'm not sure how it works, but it definitely delivers. Plus, at just 25 grams, it's lighter than a slice of bread. Worried about protection? I had that concern too. While these cases aren't designed for extreme sports, they do cover the sides of your phone, feature raised edges around the camera, and the aramid fiber provides a shield against scratches and wear. They're made to handle everyday bumps and scrapes while keeping a stylish look. So here's the deal. If you've recently treated yourself to a Galaxy S25 Ultra and need a case that matches its premium feel without hiding its beauty, Pitaka has you covered. I'm honestly torn between the two designs. One makes me think of stargazing on a clear night, while the other evokes a serene evening drive. Which one speaks to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this exploration of design and functionality, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.